Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive projects in Asana. Start by opening Asana and going to the Projects tab. In the latest version of Asana, archived projects don't appear in a separate section. They are mixed in with all your active projects, and there's no special label or indication. This means you'll see them right alongside your regular projects in the same list. To view an archived project, just click on its name like you would with any other project. You can go through the tasks, check comments, view attachments, and see all of the project's history. Even though it's archived, all of the information is still available for reference. If you decide you want to make an archived project active again, click the three-dot menu next to the project name. From there, select Unarchive Project. Once you do this, the project will remain in your main list as an active project, ready for you to work on again. And that's it. That's how to see and manage archived projects in Asana. We have plenty more tutorials just like this, so if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.